Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Reviews, and today we are here to talk about Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. Its India launch date has been confirmed. So if you are a Xiaomi fan willing to buy the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7, which is also the camera piece, then don't forget to watch this video till the end. So in this video we are going to talk about the launch event or launch date only. If you want to watch its unboxing and pros and cons video, the link will be in the cards as well as in the description below. Go check it from there because pros and cons are the main factor which you need to check before buying a smartphone, because you may suffer later on. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So here you can see an image saying 7 28 Feb 2019 and hashtag talk live by Xiaomi. So this is for the launch of Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. The launch date has been confirmed today itself, but not in the morning, because till morning there was no such clue or leaks about the launch event or the fixed launch date. But Xiaomi has officially revealed that the Redmi Note 7 will be launching in India in 28 Feb 2019. So this is all for today guys. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to share this information with others, then don't forget to press this share button and share it as much as you can. And also don't forget to press the subscribe button if you want to be connected with our channel and want to watch further this kind of videos, and also press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. So till my next video, peace.